Hi guys, I just received my Boxy Charm for May 2020, and this is a subscription box that I receive monthly. And I have taken items out of the box, so I am going to show you what I received. And the first thing I'm going to show you is the card that comes in there, and it says Boxy Charm, Love, Mother Nature. And then on the side here it says packaged with gloves and love. And then the back shows you the list of products that I received. And again, this is what it looks like in the front. Now, I'm going to show you the products that I received in there. And the first item is Hollywood, California Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotics Recovery Mask, and this is for the face. And this is for $49. Then the next item is Violet Voss Essentials, and it says Pro Series Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. And I have tried on two of the colors, the pink there and the plum berry, to show you. It's going to be on my hand, so yeah. And then it comes with a mirror on top. But yeah, these are the colors. And this is what they look like. This is the plum, if I could get it focused. This is the plum berry. And this is the pink. It's like a shimmery color. Yeah. And this is for this one, the plum berry. And the pink. Just so you see it. And the price of that is $29. Then the next item that I received here is Pretty Vulgar. And it says Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer. So this is a primer. And it is $22. Then the next item that I received is Beauty Care Dead Sea Mineral Vitamin C Serum. And it's a makeup remover wipe. Removes even waterproof mascara. I hope I pronounced that right. Put them on. And that costs $17 for the wipes. So far, these are the products that I received. And the last item that I received is a lip pencil. And I guess the color is Underground. I'm not sure. I think it is. Yeah. And yeah, I'll show you what it looks like. Take it off here to show you. And this is what it looks like. This lip pencil. I hope I didn't say eye pencil, but it's a lip pencil. Sorry about that. And yeah, these are all the items that I received in my Boxy Charm. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Till next month when I get my next Boxy Charm, and I should be getting my Epsy next month too. So yeah, just want to thank you again for watching, and I just want to say goodbye.